Bonjour, good morning, Eugenie's Lifestyle. We are here again for our cooking time. Today, I'm going to prepare chicken harissa. Our ingredients for our chicken harissa, we have 1,300 grams of whole chicken. I cut them into pieces already. 2 pieces of courgette or zucchini. We have bell pepper, like 1 red, 1 yellow, 1 green, 1 piece of big onion, the red one, and we have your harissa sauce, olive oil, red wine vinegar, and also your salt and pepper. The veggies are already cut and I'm ready to season them. So here we are going to start. I have to put 60 ml of virgin olive oil, fresh from our garden. A tablespoon of brown sugar. Red wine vinegar, which is 1 tablespoon. Salt. Fresh pepper. And I have to squeeze some harissa sauce. That's the harissa sauce. It's time to mix them all together nicely so that everything have the flavor. Harissa, olive oil, and the black pepper, salt, and the brown sugar. I have to put some olive oil also on top of the chicken. Okay. Black pepper. Salt. And we have the harissa concentrate we're going to put. The chicken harissa is ready to be baked in the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Chicken is in the oven already, and let's go. We are ready. We need to baste also our chicken. Get the fats, put it there. That's how you can baste it. Basting. This can keep your chicken or meat tender and juicy. I'm ready to serve my chicken harissa, and the result is excellent. The taste is fantastic also. Do like, share, and subscribe. Eugenie's Lifestyle. Au revoir. Bye-bye.